Kung wala ka pa ng jowang afam hanggang ngayon, anti ko na paiiwanan ka na sis. Charis. Pero anyways guys, kung wala ka pa rin jowang afam hanggang ngayon, pero marami ka ng dating app or site na na-try, tas walay pa rin, anti ko, baka ito na yung sign para mag-switch ka na sa dating service na to. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this one, but I feel like yes you are, girl. Alam nyo na to, alam nyo na tong lahat. But anyways, it's called Christian Filipina. It's one of the most reliable and trustworthy dating service here in the Philippines. And one of the thing I like about it so much talaga is that I feel like it's made specifically para sa mga Filipino girls natin dyan na gustong magkaroon ng asawang foreigner or boyfriend na foreigner. And alam niyo ba na with Christian Filipina, yung mga members nilang foreigners or AFAM, they seek Filipino women only, which is a good thing kasi nga, girl, aminin mo, hindi lang tayo mga Filipino women yung gustong magkaroon ng AFAM or foreigner na partner in life, right? Yung mga foreigner members rin dito ay naghahanap talaga ng